Hi,
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Yeah, it's nice to see you again.
Yeah, exactly.
How's everything going there?
Yeah, here everything is going well.
That's good. I'm glad. Yeah. What time is it now? It's like evening, nighttime.
Yeah, it is 9:30 p.m.
Ah, okay. Okay. Ah, okay, cool. Yeah. So, what are your plans for your weekend? What will you do?
Yeah, I want to discuss about personality development.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have some questions, some selected questions to you and discuss
Okay.
together.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. So, do you think that the people can change their personality trait?
I think some people can. For example, yesterday I spoke to somebody that I haven't seen for 10 years. So we were friends when we were in high school. But then when we finished high school, we moved to different cities, different countries, and we hadn't seen each other. And yesterday we spoke to each other for the first time. And there were some similar things. Obviously, they are the same person, but a lot of their interests or things like that was different now. It was very interesting to see how some things have changed. So
It
I
is.
think that most people, you don't just like wake up one day and have a different personality, but I think with time, when your life changes, sometimes your personality can change too.
Do you want to see my full conversation with the tutor? Please comment below and subscribe Iconic Indro.